I want to ask, with your flat top, right?
Right.
You didn't have a typical flat top. Yours was like foot-long paws, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you got that flat top and you came home with that, what did your mother say at that time? Like,
Right.
what did your family say?
Well, my mother had passed by then, God rest her soul. So she did, I would have gave that white woman a heart attack, okay? But no, I was raised by my Jamaican father, so he was none too pleased. He's like, your ear look like Abraham Lincoln's hat. And my father he was not, although he was Jamaican, he was not a proponent of the hip hop lifestyle. Yeah, you just love this black life, don't you? He never called it hip hop music. He said, "You just love this yoga music." And then after everything blows up, he retired. I took him to the dealership to buy him a car. He was like, "I always believed in you." Give me the black Lexus with the leather interior.